Welcome to this YouTube channel Learn Quick. In this video, we will learn how to migrate from AutoCAD 2020 to AutoCAD 2021. And thanks to Autodesk for introducing some exciting updates in AutoCAD 2021. In the end, we will also discuss why you must migrate to AutoCAD 2021. In Autodesk.com, creating new account and acquiring student or educator license is same as of AutoCAD 2020. The procedure is explained in our previous video and the link is available in description. The installation size of AutoCAD 2021 is 3.79 GB and the education license is valid for 1 year. The installation setup file size is 1.6 GB. On opening the installed AutoCAD 2021, the Migrate Custom Settings will facilitate you to migrate interface, settings and content from your previous version of AutoCAD. You can also unselect the items which you don't want to carry over to the new version. Click Yes if you need the log file of your profile migration. Provide the serial number of your product which you acquired from Autodesk.com. This new version integrates AutoCAD with cloud services and facilitates the users who like to work from home share the file with multiple users through online drive like OneDrive, Dropbox, and Google Drive. This DWG history feature automatically creates multiple versions of your file online as your timeline and drawing history of the work, and it can be accessed by all users who are working on that file. To use this feature, you must have valid subscription to AutoCAD 2021 product. The external reference command got compare option whenever the original reference file got some update, and few updates on block library, new quick measure mode, new breakout point, changes in trim and extend feature as well as in the revision cloud. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment and share this video and do not forget to subscribe this channel.